Hello everyone, welcome to day 12 of solving SQL. Today we are going to solve this problem, last person to fit in the bus. So there is a single table for this question. The table name is Q. It has four columns. Person ID column has a unique value, that means that is the primary key. So this table has the primary key. This table has the information about all people waiting for a bus. So there are people who are waiting for a bus. The person ID and the turn column will contain the number from 1 to n. So person ID and turn will contain number from 1 to n, where n is the number of rows in the table. So there are n rows in the table. Turn determines the order of which the people will board the bus. So this will determine the order. If turn is 1, that means he will get into the bus first. If turn is 5, he will be the fifth person to get into the bus. So this is how this will work. Where turn 1 denotes the first person to board, turn n denotes the last person to board. Okay. Weight is the weight of the person in kilograms. Weight is the weight of the person in kilograms. So this is the information about the table. Person ID is the ID of the person, name is the name of the person, weight is the weight of the person, and turn is the turn number. The person will the turn number of the person who will get into the bus. Okay. There is a queue of people waiting to board a bus. However, the bus has a weight limit of 1,000 kilograms. So there may be some people who cannot board. Write a solution to find the person name of the last person that can fit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit. The test case are generated such that the first person does not exceed the weight limit. The result in the following. So the question is, there is a limit of the bus, how much the bus can carry. So the bus can carry at most 1,000 kilograms. So I cannot fill the bus with all the persons in the table. So I have to find the last person who will board the bus without exceeding the weight limit. And the order should be according to the turn number. Turn number, okay? Because the first person will get into the board, the second person, how will I decide who will get into the board first time? The turn will decide it. This turn column will decide it. Okay. Now let us see the example table. This is the example table. It has how many? Six persons. Okay. Have different weights and they have different turns. So first will get Alice will get 250. Okay. Then who will get Alex? 250 plus 350. It will give me 600. Both will get. Then third will get John Cena, 1,000. So limit has reached 1,000. So John Cena will be the last. After that, who will come? Mary. Now Mary cannot enter because it will exceed the weight of the bus, weight limit of the bus. Therefore, the last person to entry into the who will get seat in the bus is John Cena. Okay. So this is the simplicity table. But from this table, we get the idea of how to solve this problem. Because if I make this column somehow total weight, if I make this column total weight column using, you can guess, using your window function. Okay. If using window function, if I make this column, I can easily solve the problem. So try to solve the problem yourself. Go to LeetCode, find the problem and try to solve it. And come back here, I will be solving it. So first, inside a city, I will find this total weight column. Total weight. I can do it using subquery also, but I prefer doing it by city. So let us write weight city. Yes, select. What I need the name of the person name. I need the person name and the um, weight. Right. I need the weight. But I also do not need the weight also. I need total weight. So I will do sum of the weight. Sum of the weight. I am going to use the window function over. I am going to use order by what I do the order by turn. Okay, as your total weight. Okay? from the um, table name is Q. So this is my city. So I can get the output of this table. What will this table result? Select star from city. Let me run this to show you the output of the city that I have written. So this is the output of the city. For each person, there is a total weight. Okay. So I need to order this and filter this. Okay. So I have to order this. I have to first put the filter condition where the total weight must not exceed, must be less than equal to 1000, must not exceed 1000. And I need to order this table by total weight. Total weight descending. Okay. I need the first weight, total weight, which is less than 1000, which is just less than 1000. That needs to be at the top row so that I can do the limit condition, limit 1. Then if I filter the only person name here, this query now is complete and I can run this query and this will get accepted. So this, so I hope you have understood the problem. I have filtered using total weight. Then I have ordered the total weight. Okay. I can show you without using the limit condition also. I can show you. See, let me do the weight also here. Select star. Okay. So I have used the filter condition. Then I have ordered the table according to the total weight in descending order. So the first person who has the total weight just less than equal to 1000 will come first. So I am going to now select only this part, person name. So I am going to select the person name and filter the, select only the first row, limit 1. Okay. Now if I submit this, so it got accepted and with 92.4. So I hope you have understood the problem. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can comment it on the comment section. Also, if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.